Hi, mi amor.
Hi.
Say hi to mommy. Oh, wait a minute. There you go.
Hi. Why are you taking pictures?
Because I love you and I missed you. And I'm all excited for you.
Ain't that so sweet?
Oh, no.
I was gone for 3 days. Look down.
Look down.
What? Why is Kitty smiling? Oh my God!
I know she was that is so
She's crying.
She cried.
Well, wait. What's the answer?
Oh yeah. I know.
So sit there, Hannah.
That was very suspicious.
Sit there.
I'm sorry. I was trying. I was like. Sit here.
Devin, sit.
Oh, this is so cute.
Oh my goodness.
So, you're going to prom with who? And Hannah said what?
Yes.
Yeah. No, come away.
I want a picture.
What did you say, Hannah?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So I want a picture.
A picture. Okay, give me a moment.